Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. In this video, I just want to give you a quick update on Alibaba, which has been slaughtered recently, going all the way down to 70, 71, and even sub 70, just going all the way down to 65. But last week, Alibaba just came back up a bit. So weekly candle closed a very nicely engulfing pattern pretty close to its historical low here, which just formed October 2022. And as you see here, stock doesn't go anywhere. Like since October 2022, right now we are at January 2024. Stock is kind of like a going range sideways and not doing well at all. So it doesn't go even um, go above 90 and 120 here. So 118 is kind of like a substantial pivotal point and kind of like a resistance for Alibaba. Seems like this trend line is there. But I should say Alibaba's cycle is about to finish and Chinese kind of like a market downtrend is about to finish. So this could be confusing because people, when hear from me that cycle is bottom and we expect to go into the bullish cycle, they think that tomorrow or next week or next month, this stock can go back to new all-time high, which is not gonna be the case. So when I see a cycle is bottom, this means that at least the downside target is pretty limited. And I should say this October 2022 bottom was kind of like a historical low. And you can just, investors and traders even, they can put like a stop loss below this level, which is 56, and just get into stock like at 74, because I believe that the bullish cycle, the short-term bullish, is coming down the road all the way to 100. So that's going to be a good risk to reward. Even 107, 110 could be kind of like the possible scenario. However, stock needs to close above 120 for weekly candle, and weekly close need to get above 120, establish itself, then it can go to 150 and 60, which is going to be earlier stage. We are not talking about this, but right now, Alibaba, I should say, based on the weekly chart, here is the momentum. So momentum is slightly going back up again after this kind of like a exhaustive channel to the downside. I should say there is a good bullish development. MACD is about to signal a bullish signal. And also RSI is kind of like a dead since October 2000, again, 22, when we have this bullish momentum going all the way up to here, testing 120. Then after that, it's just going down and momentum is dead. But momentum is kind of like we see some kind of like a shifting structure to the bull side. And if, I should say, if there is a very, very potential scenario that if Alibaba goes above 80 and 85, then $100 Alibaba can be foreseeable for few next months. So we should see how stock is going to perform about 80. So again, keep an eye on 80 and $85. Right now we are at 74. So if we get above 85, which is going to be this area, then any pullback could be a great buying opportunity for $100. And after $100, if we get above this pivotal point, can go all the way up to 110. So 110 is going to be a very, very important pivotal point for Alibaba, which I think it's going to happen. A possible scenario is going to be somewhere around May or April. We should see some kind of like a bullish momentum all the way up to here. But after that, I'm not sure about this stock. So we should just see how stock is going to form up. Even in daily chart, which we can get a better kind of like a momentum. Daily chart, we are seeing a very, very nice bullish momentum coming along with this nice W pattern. So this W pattern is formed very, very nicely. We see that there is a nice divergence here in all indicators. So if you just look at all indicators, we see that price is getting to the lower low, and RSI, MACD, and even a stochastic is showing us higher low. So we need to see some kind of like a bullish momentum getting above 80. So look at $80. If we get above 80, that means we are getting above this trend line. And then any pullback could be a great buying opportunity all the way up to $100. So $100 and even higher than that. So which is going to be 103 to 107. So that is kind of like important resistance here at this top. So Alibaba, I should say, is very, very close to a good buying opportunity for 110, for 103 to 107. So we will see how it goes with this. But based on the daily chart and also weekly momentum, I should say Alibaba, at least the downside target is pretty limited. And we should see some kind of like a pullback, breaking up to the upside for $100 to $107 stock in, let's say, next few months. So we will see how it goes. This is going to be just a quick update. I'm coming with more analysis if we see some changing the structure in this stock down the road. Have a fantastic evening. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.